In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Discord Nitro. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect, and how to confirm everything is set so you won't be charged again. Start by opening Discord on your desktop app or in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the account that currently has Nitro. It helps to confirm you're on the right account before you start, especially if you switch between multiple profiles. Once Discord is open, look toward the lower left corner of the screen. Click the small gear icon next to your username to open user settings. This is where all account privacy and billing options live. Inside user settings, scroll the left sidebar until you find billing. Click it. The billing page shows your active Nitro plan, your next renewal date, and the payment method on file. This is the hub for managing your subscription status. Take a moment to read what's displayed here so you know when your current cycle ends and what plan you're on, like Nitro or Nitro Basic. Now find your Nitro subscription card on this billing page and choose the option to cancel. The button may read cancel subscription or appear under a manage or switch plans link, but the goal is the same: stop future renewals. Click through the confirmation prompts. You may be asked for a reason, select any option and continue. Discord will show a final confirmation message indicating that your plan won't renew. A quick note on what happens next. Canceling stops future charges, but you'll typically keep Nitro perks until the end of your current billing period. That means things like higher upload limits, animated avatars, and server boosts remain active until your renewal date passes. After that, those perks go away automatically, but your account and servers stay intact. To double check everything worked, return to the billing page and look for a message that your subscription is set to end on a specific date. That end date is your confirmation. You can also look for an email from Discord confirming the cancellation. If you don't see a cancel option on this screen, the billing page will usually tell you how your subscription is managed. Follow the instructions shown there to complete cancellation. And as a tip, avoid removing your payment method until you see that confirmed end date. That's it. Open Discord, go to user settings, click billing, and cancel your Nitro subscription from the plan card. If this was helpful, take a moment to verify your end date and you're all set.